All right, Asia whipsaw. So Asia whipsaw. It's happening most of the time when Asia is in a range. So there is no major move like to the upside or to the downside. And very important thing, it's happening when we have IPA below or above. When we're looking for Asia whipsaw, we need to see IPA right below it or right above it. So it will be our entry point. And yeah, that's basically it. It's very, very simple. We got Asia range right here, like this, and Asia is doing something like this. And what we're gonna do is find IPA below and IPA above the Asia range. And if we are in bullish market, we'll most likely have something like this, this, and this. So price will tap into the IPA below the Asia range like this. Then price will go higher from here. Or what can happen is price will tap into this IPA, going for the Asia midline right here and going higher. So let's say for example we got some kind of high right here, breaker high, so it could be like this. Hold on, let me do it again. Yeah, this is the one. So right here we swept the Asia high, and this would be break liquidity right here. So what will most likely happen is Asia midline right here. Do it like this. Price taking some kind of liquidity, tapping into Asia midline, and also here we should have some kind of IPA. And this is what you can like see happening a lot of time. So this is Asia, this would be Frankfurt, this one will be Frankfurt right here, and this move to the upside will be London like this. This is London. And then what we can expect from New York, New York will be most likely this pullback to the downside. And we got two scenarios in New York. New York can either take this break liquidity and go in higher, or New York can go higher to this extreme, give us little reaction and go lower. So this is the Asia whipsaw, is Asia range, in this case IPA below it, price creating liquidity point right after sweep of the high. So this would be break liquidity, price sweeping the break liquidity in New York and going higher, or we can go lower like this. So this is Asia whipsaw. Let me go over it on the chart. So right here we got Asia building liquidity, sweeping nothing major on the left, as you can see, and we are in bullish market in this case, so we're gonna find IPA right below the Asia range. So we got IPA right here. So this would be our point of interest right here between this wick and this low right here. This is our IPA, and as you can see, Frankfurt manipulated this move to the downside like this, and London swept the Asia high. So this would be our break liquidity, this one, because we broke above the range, then we retested and gone higher. So this is break liquidity, and after sweep of this break liquidity, look what happened. We swept the break liquidity and went higher, but in this case there probably is some IPA on lower time frame. This is 5 minute. So let's say we got IPA right here, price step into here and gone higher like this. In this case, New York started right here. So in the example, New York should be this move to the downside, but yeah, what happened right here in New York? New York again induced sellers into the market, as you can see. New York creating change of character to the downside right here. This would be fake BOS inducement, because a lot of people seeing this as New York reversal. So this one is smart money trap. And yeah, there could be a possible entry right here, but overall there is possible buys from this POI, because in this case New York induced sellers into the market, as you can see right here. So this is our protected point after we took this high. Let me draw it down right here. So when we have smart money trap, most likely we're gonna see buys from this POI right here. So yeah, this is everything for the cycles. So let me go over it right here. So the first one was Asia stop hunt. We got Asia building liquidity, then sweeping some kind of major liquidity on the left. So let's say substructural high. Then Frankfurt opens right here. So this is liquidity. New York sweeping the Frankfurt open, coming into the Asia midline and then going lower. And Asia whipsaw is Asia building liquidity, tapping into IPA, and target is the Asia high right here. So if you got any questions, let me know, and see you at the next one.